Good afternoon, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine and staying home to keep yourself safe from COVID-19. Here in this module, as we are going to discuss about the cotton textile industry. In the previous module, we have already discussed about the iron and steel industry, which is the previous topic of this chapter. So let us begin, students. Here, cotton textile industry. Here in the picture, you can see the cotton fiber is there and machine is doing the work of ginning, separating the fibers. And this is a image taken from the British textile industry, which was in the past. The word textile is derived from a Latin word texere, meaning to weave. It is used broadly for cotton fiber, yarn, jute, and synthetic fibers. So, for all these types of fiber, this weaving or the texture word is used. The textile manufacturing is one of the oldest, diverse, and most widespread industries in the world. As you know that India was having the good trade relations for the textile goods all over the world before the British period. Despite the widespread mechanization of textile and garment making, a large part of textile products are still made by hand spinners and hand weavers. So hand spinning tools are there and hand looms are also there, which are doing the work of weaving in many parts of the world. The modern mechanized textile industry was first developed in Britain. So in Britain, this region, later it was spread to China, Europe, these countries, India, Korea, Thailand, these region, United States, and rest of the world. The textile industries in the world are usually located where power and labor supplies are in abundance because this needs a lot of power supply and the manual laborer work. So both the things are required in abundance. So wherever this is available in proper and abundance, that areas have developed these textile industries. At global level, Bangladesh, China, India, Japan, Korea, Thailand, United Kingdom, United States and many countries of Europe are important producers of textile products and export them to different countries of the world. India has an ancient tradition of producing cotton textile. So we have already studied in the history part. The hand woven cloth was reported to be manufactured during the period of Indus Valley civilization. So hand woven clothes have been reported in the history that it was used in the Indus Valley civilization. Today the cotton textile is the largest industry in India. So as here you can see the number of textile industries, and out of these textile industry this the sky color uh, round shape you can see here. These places, that how all over the country that cotton textile industries is spread, and similarly the different other textile industries are also found all over the country. It gives employment to over 35 million persons, which means 20% of the industrial labor is absorbed in this industry. So this is a very large number where the people are employed. Now let us compare the cotton industry of Japan and India. So if we see the comparative study of Osaka, that uh, textile industry plays, and similarly Ahmedabad also in our country. So if we see the source of water supply, so in the Osaka river, Yodo is supplying this, and river Sabarmati in Ahmedabad is the water supply region, and source of raw material of cotton. So imports cotton from China, Egypt, and USA. Means Japan is importing the raw material from these different countries, and India is having its own cotton producing areas from where it is getting this cotton. So that way we can say that India has good scope for cotton textile industries development. In early years, most of the cotton textile mills were located in Gujarat and Maharashtra. As we know that that was the port region, and humid climatic condition also, which is favorable for the cotton textile industry. So that are the main regions. Availability of cotton, humid climate means these are the main region by because of which the cotton textile industry is located in this Gujarat and Maharashtra, that are the availability of cotton. This of should be O, small letter should be humid climate, proximity to market, and developed means of transport have contributed. So there are three factors: humid climate, availability of cotton, proximity to market, and the developed means of transport have contributed to the develop towards the spread of this industry over the 80 towns and cities of India. So you can see here as how spread all over the country, and these are the main four factors required for development of this cotton textile industry. Some important centers in India are Ahmedabad. So Ahmedabad is a district of Gujarat. Surat, it is also part in a part of Gujarat only. Vadodara, it is also in Gujarat. Gwalior, Indore, Ujjain in Madhya Pradesh. So Gwalior, Indore, and Ujjain. Gwalior is looking here. This place in Madhya Pradesh. Indore and Ujjain. Ujjain is not mentioned in this map, but location is nearby this place. Then Pune and Sholapur in Maharashtra. Pune is given. Sholapur is not given. And Chennai, Coimbatore, and Madurai in Tamil Nadu. These places in Tamil Nadu. Agra, Kanpur, Modinagar, and Moradabad in Uttar Pradesh. So in this places and Howrah and Murshidabad in West Bengal. Murshidabad given. Cotton textile industry, Ahmedabad. About this, the Gujarat is the one of the leading industrial. If we talk about this cotton textile in Ahmedabad, so Gujarat is one of the leading industrial states in India, and textile industry in particular has contributed in a big way to the industrialization of this state, and this is from the British period developing for such industries. The state is well known for its power loom spinning, weaving, and silk dyeing mills spread all over states. Ahmedabad used to be called the Manchester of India. Manchester is a place in London which is known for its textile goods industry. So similarly, a place in India also of such kind. So we call it Manchester of India because of the concentration of large number of textile mills. It is the second largest textile industrial center after Mumbai. It is located on the bank of river Sabarmati in Gujarat. Of course, in Gujarat. The city is situated in the heart of cotton growing belt. So that is why it need not to import cotton from any other part of the world, and has warm and humid climate which is favorable for spinning and weaving both. So in humid climatic condition the spinning work becomes very good because the fine threads can be prepared in humid climatic condition. It has large domestic market, as you know that the India is having good population, and both skilled and unskilled labor is readily available easily in nearby places and nearby different states, that is skilled and unskilled both types of labor available. The proximity to nearby Kandla seaport. So Kandla seaport favors large concentration of textile mills in and around the town. Today, the city has over 60 mills noted for its superior quality of cotton textiles. So you can understand how concentration of mills are there. That 60 mills are there in Ahmedabad only, and that is why it is referred as Manchester of India. However, many units are falling sick because of old machinery, low capital available for replacement of these machines, and lack of fiscal incentive from the state government. Government is not giving proper support to these sick industries, and because of that the industries are not able to perform properly. So that is a serious problem for our country, for that place, for the development of that region. So this was all about a student in this chapter. So we'll meet in the next module with another topic which is next to this topic in the book. So thank you students. Bye.